The intention of this video is not to hurt anyone. We respect everyone's feelings. We pray to God for his soul to rest in peace. This video is just to simplify the forensic aspects of his state. All the references are duly noted.
Forensic aspect of Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely death. Fact 1. Sushant Singh Rajput was found hanging at his Bandra flat on 14 June 2020. The flats consisted of 4 members, 1 housekeeping staff, 2 chefs, and he himself. Fact 2. The entry and exit points in a crime scene matter a lot. The keymaker stated that there was no sign of forcefully messing with the lock from the outside. According to the postmortem reports, it stated asphyxia, that is, death due to blocked air passage. Its further explanation is given in our further slides. Ligature mark is a groove or furrow-like structure formed due to the excessive body weight and pressure with the help of a rope. A green kurta was used as a hanging rope. Fact 3. A case is filed in court in Bihar's Muzaffarpur under the section 306 IPC, 109 IPC, 504 IPC and 506 IPC against some directors and actors. A case is also filed against Riya Chakraborty under section IPC 420 and 306, whose hearing was on 24th of June. Let's have a look to these IPC sections. 306 IPC Abetment to Suicide. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर कोई पर्सन कोई एक्ट कमिट करता है और उस एक्ट के चलते किसी पर्सन ने सुसाइड किया है तो ही विल बी पनिश्ड. नेक्स्ट इज 109 IPC पनिशमेंट फॉर एबेटमेंट इफ द क्राइम इज कमिटेड. इसका मतलब ये है अगर कोई इंसान किसी दूसरे पर्सन को कोई क्राइम करने के लिए एनकरेज करता है तो ही विल बी पनिश फॉर द सेम एज अ पर्सन इज कमिटिंग अ क्राइम. 504 IPC इंसल्टिंग एनीवन व्हिच लीड्स टू द लॉस ऑफ पब्लिक पीस. ये सेक्शन हमें ये बताता है कि अगर किसी इंसान ने इंटेंशनली या फिर जानबूझ के किसी बंदे को इंसल्ट किया है और फर्दर प्रमोट करता है कोई क्राइम या फिर मॉब अटैक टाइप, तो ये सेक्शन वहाँ लीगल होता है. नेक्स्ट इज 506 IPC दैट इज क्रिमिनल इंटिमिडेशन. ये सेक्शन हमें ये बताता है कि कोई पर्सन किसी क्राइम को कॉपी करना चाहता है या फिर कॉपी किया है तो ही विल बी पनिश्ड फॉर द सेम. द नेक्स्ट इज 420 IPC चीटिंग एंड डिसऑनेस्टी इंड्यूसिंग द प्रॉपर्टी डीलिंग. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ फ्रॉड जहाँ पर हमें ये देखने को मिलता है कि किसी बंदे ने अगर किसी चीज़ को कोई प्रॉपर्टी को लेकर डीलिंग या फिर साइनिंग की रखी है और अगर वो प्रॉपर्टी इज़ नॉट प्रोवाइडेड फाइनली or is destroyed completely. In this case, this section is applicable. Finally, we come to the terminologies. Asphyxia, the lack of oxygen due to blocked air passage, which increases the concentration of carbon dioxide in the body and lowers the concentration of oxygen. Pitchday, the wet color spots found on the face and on the surface of heart due to the breaking of blood vessels. Emphysematous bullae. They are the damaged alveoli that are exceptionally large in size. This is due to the lack of oxygen found in the cases of strangulation by death. Next we come to vagal inhibition. This is the process where, due to the pressure on the neck, this affects the nervous system, which leads to the stoppage of different glands and hurt. Partial hanging, when the distance between the ground and leg is not so much. It is found that in some cases the leg is partially touching the ground but still the death has occurs due to the body weight. Now we come upon to the difference between hanging by suicide and death by strangulation. In some cases it is seen that the perpetrator or the criminal kills the person with the help of a rope and tries to modify the crime scene by hanging him somewhere. First we come to the face. Usually it is pale and no pachidae are marked. In case of strangulation, congested and livid and marked with pachidae. When we come upon to the neck is elongated and stretched due to the body weight. and in this case, the length of the neck remains the same. The ligature mark is oblique, leaving a V mark lying between the chin and larynx in case of hanging, while in case of strangulation, it is transverse, lies below the thyroid, leaving a O mark. When we come up to the abrasions and ecchymosis, in this case, they are found in some cases because if the rope is too tight or due to excessive body weight. In case of strangulation, they are found around the edges due to application of greater force. Saliva is found in these cases, but sometimes due to vagal inhibition, saliva is not found. While in case of death due to strangulation, saliva is absent. When we come to the eyes are sometimes found to be protruding or may be partially open or closed. Swollen, tardive spots may be present. They are not found in case of strangulation. No tardive spots are also found. When we come to the seminal fluid, at glance is more common, while it is not found in case of strangulation. Emphysematous bullae, they are not present on the surface of lungs, while in case of strangulation they are very common. Next we come during the hanging, the passages that are blocked. Carotid sinus, blocking leads to the cardiac arrest. Jugular vein, blocking leads to the formation of pachytae. Carotid artery leads to unconsciousness, and larynx, which leads to blockage of air. Fact check. According to the reports, there were no table or chair was found on the bed, and the distance between the leg and the bed was not so much, which means it is a kind of partial hanging. This is possible to the weight of the body. In many cases, it is found that the leg is touching the ground partially, or it has a support, but the suicide has occurred. This is due to the weight of the body, which is lying in a downward direction. Fact check. Why saliva stains were not found in this case? The answer is due to vagal inhibition. Due to the inhibition of the vagal nerve, the glands gets no response, hence leading to the suspension of secretory activities. This occurs due to the injuries to the spinal cord, or the rate of lack of oxygen gets higher with time. Detection of salival stains in case when they are dried up. For this identification, an enzyme named as amylase, which is present in saliva, is used. Amylase gives a characteristic emission spectrum at 345 to 355 nanometer when excited at 282 nanometers, which can be identified with the help of fluorescent spectroscopy. Next, what is Le Fachy-sympathetic? You might have seen the photos where the one eye was partially closed and another eye was open and the pupil was dilated. This is due to the ligature knot which suppresses the cervical sympathetic. This nerve passes through the neck from a spinal cord to the eye. It controls the movement of ciliary muscles and eyelashes. This is a pure sign or denotes an antemortem hanging. Statements recorded. The statements of the three persons staying in the house is very important. The statement of the keymaker, the statement of his father, the statement of Riya Chakraborty, and statement of others such as directors and actors who have worked with him till now also matters a lot. There were news on the social media trending everywhere that the CCTV camera being offed the previous days. The police is also investigating the truth behind it. There is no solid evidence that this fact is true or not. Expert testimony. The statement of Sushant's doctor or psychologist who was treating him for last 6 to 8 months matter a lot because he might be knowing each and every aspect of Sushant's life, both personal and professional. In court of law, his testimony matters a lot. Nepotism, the poison of Bollywood. Nepotism and corruption are in every field, which takes away the opportunity from deserving talent to the powerful godfather in this field. Respect each other's success. Don't be jealous.
The Cautious Forensicals team mourns the untimely death of this photon in a double slate, aka Shashank Singh Rajput. Our deepest condolences to his family, friends, and every fans out there. Rest in peace, champ.